Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
We're going to show you today the difference between keeping the feet together or making a side step.
What are the differences coming from the lead and what the follower will feel?
Before going to the video, remember to like if you enjoyed it, share with your friends and subscribe with notifications.
Let's get to work. All right, we're going to show you first now what we're going to be working on. One, pa 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 pum. One, pa dum pum pum. Ta-dum, pa dum pum pa pa pum pum. Ta-dum, pa wum ta ta. Very good.
Very, very simple, but there's a lot of technique here that we can experience sometimes teaching that followers, they don't know how to keep their feet together or how to respond to the lead of keeping your feet together in some part of the moves. There is a big difference between this lead, which is making the step on the same spot without traveling, without moving to the side or back or any direction, and absorbing this lead on your hips, not on the upper body, changing body weight from one leg to the other without making any step side or back or front. It's all on the same position, keeping the upper body together and showing the leader that when you change from your left to your right, to your left, to your right, by moving the hips. But the most important is the feet are together, heels are together, knees are together, and you have to be able to change body weight from one leg to the other without making little steps.
This technique that Miriam is showing you, it not only looks nicer, it also makes you lighter for the leader. If you move without the hip, it'll move all in one piece and it becomes a little bit heavier. So, tag leaders, her change of weight is going to be led from your center, not from your shoulders. This is bad. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Just to keep in mind. Don't do that. And then we're going to keep our ankles always together. If you can see it from there. Ta-ka, ta-ta. We change without doing this. 2, 3. Yes. So, in this case, we are going to take a side step. 1. Change, change, change. And we're going to take another front step. 1. Change 2 times only. And a side step to fit together for now. And here we can change one last time. 1, 2 to start all over again to the side.
So what we plan to do in this video is to show you that sometimes followers, when you receive this lead on the feet together position, some followers are doing this. He doesn't feel much if she's here or here, or it doesn't affect the leader, but it looks very bad, very ugly if you, instead of keeping your feet together, are doing a little steps on open position. If you notice the difference between this changing body weight position compared with this, is not good. Plus, it can confuse you if the leader does the step that he's planning side. For example, if I do this, it's like dragging him, pushing him. If you do this, then you don't know which leg to use. So it's very, very important to feel the feet together position, not even making a little side step. It's not that. It's really knees together, heels together, and move from one leg to the other.
If you take a side step, try to do it for real. If you are going to fit together, do it for real. So for the leaders, exactly the same thing. And we are going to do it one last time. 1, change, 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 front, change, change, and side, change, change, side, change, 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 and front, change, change, and side, change, change, and side together.